Good morning, Tom.
Morning, honey. You're up early.
Yes, big day today.
Oh, what's happening?
Just lots of work. Coffee is ready.
It smells amazing.
Here's your cup.
Thanks, you're so sweet.
Do you want some toast?
No time for toast.
Why the rush?
I've got a meeting at 8.
What is it?
Any plans for tonight?
Tonight, let me think.
Will you be home?
I have yoga class.
Oh, right. Yoga.
I'll be late.
That's fine.
Why do you ask?
No reason, just wondering.
Okay, then go on.
See you tonight.
Have a great day.
He thinks I forgot.
But I didn't forget.
Hey, Tom, nice tie. Thanks, Dave. You look happy today. I am. Any special reason? It's my anniversary. Oh, congrats. How many years? 10 years today. Did you get a gift? Yes, everything's ready. I ordered red roses. They're her favorite. And I booked dinner. Where at? The new Italian restaurant. It's fancy there. Sarah will love the atmosphere. Very romantic. The food's great too. Try their grilled steak. It's good? Yes, and the seafood. Sounds delicious. I want to try it. Did you tell her? No, it's a surprise. She'll love it. It'll be perfect. Good luck, my friend.
Hello, can I help you? Yes, I'm just looking. I need a man's watch. Is it for a gift? Yes, for my husband. What style does he like? Simple and classic. Maybe with a blue face. How about this one? Let me see. The design is beautiful. The quality looks great. It's a famous brand. It must be expensive. We have a sale today. The price is very good. Really? That's lucky. I'll take it. Do you need gift wrapping? Yes, please wrap it. We have different papers. Do you like gold or blue? He likes blue. Please use the blue paper. Sure, no problem. He will be surprised. Just one more balloon. The room looks nice. I need to cook now. Oh no, he is home.
Sarah? I am back.
Tom, Why so early?
No time to explain.
Is something wrong?
No, everything is fine.
You are changing clothes?
Yes, put this on. Please dress up nice.
My red dress?
Why?
We're going out.
But I planned dinner.
Forget about cooking. Just trust me.
Okay, give me 5 minutes. Where are we going?
It's a surprise.
Is it far?
About 30 minutes.
That's far.
But worth it.
Drive slowly.
Don't worry. I'm careful.
You look handsome.
You look beautiful.
I love this song.
I played it for you.
Can I guess where we're going?
Sure, try.
The French bistro?
No, not there.
Downtown?
Maybe yes, maybe no.
You're being mysterious. Hungry yet? A little. I almost cooked lasagna.
Save it for tomorrow.
Look at the city lights. They're beautiful. Wait. I know this road.
Recognize it?
Are we going to Mario's?
You're very smart.
I knew it.
We're here.
Wow, it's crowded.
I reserved a table.
You planned this?
For weeks.
I thought you forgot.
How could I forget? Happy anniversary, Sarah.
Oh, they're beautiful. Red roses. My favorite. I have a surprise too.
Open this.
A gift? For me?
Go on.
A watch, the blue one.
Do you like it?
I was actually looking at this one. It's perfect.
Put on.
It fits perfectly. Thank you, honey. And thank you for dinner.
Looks great on you.
We made it. Made what? 10 years together. Yes, 10 wonderful years. Shall we order? Yes, I'm starving. Menu looks amazing.
What do you want?
The steak set.
Great choice. Red wine.
Yes. Let's celebrate.
To us.
To us forever.